This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. We're dealing with a stove that the front burner won't light, which is pretty common. And this is usually due to a little bit of junk gets caught down into this little hole here called the jet. And it's a gold looking piece of brass that you just have to put a straightened paper clip or something in to knock out all the debris that gets caught in there. I'm also checking this burner head to make sure that there's nothing caught in it. And when you put it all back together, because you have better gas flow, usually it'll light a lot better. You got to make sure the top pieces on there really secure too. Yeah, there we go. So it was just not lighting because the gas wasn't getting up there because that little gas jet was clogged. This middle one is only lighting just a little bit of the middle part lighting, so it's also got some dirt caught in it. So we're going to take this over to the sink and clean it. So we're just going to use a pair of pliers. You can use a small wrench to loosen up these two nuts that hold on the top piece. And just spin these off. Then once you separate it, you can see there's a lot of oil and junk caught here, which is clogging the jets. And we're just going to use some real hot water and some liquid soap and a abrasive sponge. We're going to just rub off all of this grease and junk that's caught, and then it'll function great again. So usually these gas stoves have trouble just as a result of accumulated grease and junk that builds up over the years. So periodic cleaning can get it running like it's brand new again. So we're just going to clean all the surfaces here on the burner and then also on the burner head on the top piece. Put it back together and then it's going to run great. And for the front burner, it was just a matter of going down with something sharp like an extended straightened paper clip to push down into the little hole called the jet to knock out any kind of debris that might be there. So pretty simple procedure. Should take you just a couple of minutes, and you only need a few small items to do the job. It's good to use as hot water as you can stand because that'll help to melt some of the grease. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance.